Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check or see your YouTube QR code on mobile. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app on your device and then tap on the U icon, to the profile icon at the bottom, then tap on your channel. Now as you can see, I'm going to tap on channel. Right from here, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, tap on share. Then you can see QR code, tap on it. And that's it. Now the QR code is now available. This is actually your unique YouTube channel QR code. Now you can either take a screenshot of it, or you can just save it directly by clicking on save to camera roll. And then once you've done this, you can now share it through messaging app and other options. Now this feature may not be available for all users yet, as YouTube may be rolling it out gradually. It depends on the YouTube version you're using. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.